connected.
Well, guys, don't let your Africa Twin set out too long when it's 4 degrees outside. Actually, I just checked, it's 2 degrees now, but anyway, when it's that cold, this thing, the ice never has thawed off since yesterday, but then it's snowing. I let it sit out here for a couple hours this morning, and now it won't start. It started at first. Won't start now. Won't do anything. Don't know what's going on. But it's going to have to warm up a bunch before it starts, that's for sure. I got an electric heater I set down there on the skid plate. Maybe that'll warm it up, warm the engine up enough it'll start. Thought I'd bring it out and ride it on the snow a little bit. Not much snow, we got a skiff to snow, but of course it's ice underneath it. But maybe that was a mistake. Yeah, maybe it'll warm up a little bit when the sun gets out. The sun gets shining on it, do be quite a bit, but probably gonna have to go back inside because it's super cold out here. But it sure won't start. Well, we'll go back inside for a little bit and let it warm up for a while and see what happens. Okay, let's see if this thing will start. Yep, it did. The oil's thick and that clutch drag is pretty good when they're that cold. Well, let's see if I can move this thing on these stock tires. The brake lever's stiff. Well, it goes. I wouldn't want to go too fast because it's not just light snow, there's ice underneath it, so gotta be extremely careful, especially with these stock tires. The temperature out here is 2 degrees. Yeah, that's slick. I can feel it moving. Feel the bike sliding right there on that little slope. Oh well, that's just a short spin on the Africa Twin on the ice. I don't want to try going up the hill. Not so much going up the hill there, out of the holler, but it's coming back down. Because you can't slow down. Way too slick. I think what was wrong, it wouldn't start earlier. is that button was froze. That's what it was. It just wasn't making contact. The sun came out just a little bit on it, made a difference. Brr. It's extremely cold out here. This thing's still all froze up, got the ice all over it and snow all over it. But I can say I got it out on it. Just not much. It's not the cold so much. I just don't want to take a chance of crashing it on this stuff. Especially I ain't got the alt-rider crash bars yet. Even with them, I still don't want to crash it. Hopefully I can make it back up the ramp into the shop. I'm sure I can as long as I'm moving. Don't go too slow. Then people probably think, what in the world's that idiot doing out on a motorcycle on this? Got to be out of his ever-loving mind. No doubt. Yeah, it's a slick. It's hard to turn there once you slide the front wheel. Because that snow is just like powder. It's not really stuck to the ice, and it's just sliding on top of it. Put this thing in here, but with no heat in here, it didn't even thaw out last night. You can see, still didn't thaw out. But it will here in a day or two when it warms up. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures and my super short little video here. Catch y'all in the next video.